Alright, some more footage. San Diego. That's what you call beachfront homes. Right over there. Come out your back door. You're on the ocean. Pretty nice. Some information. Just some general information where I am. Surfer dudes. You can see there's a lot of people out there surfing. Those maniacs. Everybody loves the ocean until it comes for you. It takes you out. That's the beach. That's the view I'm looking at. Well, that's what's going on here, folks. Looking at something different. That's what life's all about. Folks, they got an outrageous claim here. World's best shakes and malts. We'll have to test that theory out later. Home of the famous waffle ice cream sandwich. That sounds good, actually. We have a tattoo place. Newport Pizza. Huh. I'm sketchy about my pizza places outside of New York. But maybe I'll have a look. If I don't puke, maybe I'll taste it. Alright. Sunshine Company. I actually didn't know that that was manufactured. Alright, I'm being told that this place, this Hodad's, is known for their burgers. And another outrageous claim, best burger. 99 gazillion burgers sold. 1969, what a great year.
New York Yankees arrived. You're from New York?
Yeah.
Where?
Brooklyn.
So am I. I'm from Canarsie. No way! Yeah, I am. Jackie, glad to meet Jackie. I'm Polish. My parents.
Where'd you live in Canarsie?
Drink IPAs.
All right. This is the prices of beer here in San Diego. Yeah, see, folks, we got a hostel here. USA Hostels. Right on the beach. This is just the main drag off the beach over here. I'm going to show you these chic little stores. It's basically like hippie heaven, really, when you think about it. Something interesting. I just noticed they have all kinds of things on these steps. The Warrens, Gym, Virginia. Oh, May 10th, 1985. Memory of the nutrition shop in Vic's Gym. Crazy. Alright, folks, they have these electric bicycles. They're free to unlock, but then it's 15 cents a minute. And this is what it looks like. Apparently you have to download their app and scan it there. And they charge you through the app directly. I don't know. I might try this. I'm feeling adventurous. Here we go. Alright, just saw another one they have here. Wheels to unlock. Those are all different companies here. And they rent these scooters that I was told by an ER nurse is killing people daily. And we have a stuff to puff, so hold on.
From New York.
Look what we have in this store. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I've never seen it before in my life. Don't really know what you would actually do with any of this stuff. You can follow them on Instagram if you like. I've never seen anything. I don't even. What do you do with this stuff? I guess you just stick some tobacco in it. I don't know what that is. Those are probably like glasses that you drink from. Very cool. Very, very cool. More fascinating stuff over here. Wow.
Of course. That's why they're so
Beautiful
far
artwork
out.
for sale.
You ever go? They all have the. Was there a limited amount of time?
All right. So what do we got? We got the Belching Beaver Brewery right next to a winery, and vignettes over there. Looks like a Target Express they're building over there. It's an interesting little beach town, isn't it? Sorry about this, folks. Having camera issues. What's that? Coppers. If you're looking for the joint, there it is, folks. The joint. We're having a whale of a sale here. Wow. Get it? I'm in a beach community right now. Look at this pretty stuff. I mean, Philippines, you can never find this kind of stuff. Because it's 8 million islands. Don't mean you can find this quality. Kidding.
We should go see what that is. We'll go check that out.
Yeah, we will. Virtual reality gamings. They have a secret spot and an escape room. I did an escape room in New York.
Oh, I've heard
It's actually
about
quite
those.
hard. Some more San Diego shopping here. This is inside a little thing. Just tattoo places. Oh, secret spot, escape rooms. What's that say? Wednesday through Sunday. I did the escape room, but I couldn't escape from it in New York. I bet San Diego's easier. Alright, we got CBD available to enhance your float. So you go into an empty box filled with water, like that. Yeah, it seems like you would
And
need
it's dark?
CBD. Yeah, it's dark. It's deprivation of senses. Hold on. Let's see. All right. Apparently the Hooters, the burger joint, has a van with a surfboard. And wow. That screams of something. Somebody needs attention. All right, later, folks. Stop to take a look at this. I don't know if that's going to be the store or the sign, or just showing that there's construction going on. That's pretty cool.